Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to create this vignette effect in just a few simple steps inside Premiere Pro. Alright, you can see on the timeline, I have already got an image. By the way, you can use any photos or videos. Firstly, we have to create a new adjustment layer inside the project panel. Next, drag and drop the adjustment layer over to the timeline. After that, let's move over to the effects panel to apply a proc AMP effect. Let's drag and drop the proc AMP effect onto the adjustment layer. And then, let's go to the Effect Controls panel. Now, we have to create a mask for the opacity panel. Let's click on this ellipse mask icon. And then, we have to resize the mask something like this. And then, we have to make the mask feather value around 200. Next, let's make the mask expansion value around -44. After that, we have to enable the invert property by clicking on this box. In the next step, from the proc AMP effect, let's make the brightness parameter value around -30. Now we are done. As you can see on the program monitor, the vignette effect has been successfully applied to the image. In this way, you can create a vignette effect in just a few simple steps inside Premiere Pro.